Hello everyone, this is Niraj. Welcome back to the channel. So in the first video, we discussed about the introduction part of NextJS 14, which includes the project we are going to build, the system requirement of your computer, and the most important prerequisite part that you must know before joining this tutorial. So in this video, we're going to install a brand new NextJS 14 app from the official NextJS 14 repo. And we're going to also explore all the folder and try to understand the meaning of every files and the working of it. So without wasting our time, let's start. So first navigate to this URL and below creating a new project, you can see this command. Copy this command and paste it to your terminal. I've already created this folder in N drive, so I will paste it here. As you can see, I pasted it. Let's download it. This is the official Next.js 14 project where we we're installing it because this contain every single code that we are gonna learn in this project. But yeah, that is commented, so we are gonna learn this and reveal the code step by step in this project. As you can see, this has downloaded successfully. So I will open this on my VS Code. So as you can see, this has opened in VS Code successfully. So let's spend some time reviewing all the folders and files. So first of all, you are gonna find your app folder. App folder is what we are gonna spend most of our time building pages for our project. Second is node modules. So node modules, you don't need to understand it much. This is the folder that we are not going to do anything. The third one is for public folder. So the public folder is a folder that is accessible in the domain name. For example, images, videos that is static in our website. For example, this fab icon and these all the images. And fourth one is script. I mean seed.js that are using SQL command to execute. Yeah, we will explore this later. So you can close this for now. So let's move to app folder. So the first folder inside app directory is lib. Lib contains all the constant and functions that are reusable. For example, converting our date and data.ts, definitions.ts, and as you can see, these all files are in ts extensions or tsx. So yeah, this project is in TypeScript. If you know TypeScript, that is great. But if you don't know TypeScript, don't worry, there is nothing much in it. I will explain every code inside TypeScript in this tutorial. And the third one is placeholder data. So you will see every working of this file as we progress in our project. Utils.ts. These all contain format currency, format data to local, generate y-axis. You will see every working of these functions. Okay, close this. And this UI part. UI means, user layout. So this contain all the pages and component that user is gonna see on our website. And this layout file means a HTML page that we are gonna put children inside it, that is coming from page.tsx. So page.tsx is the important folder for us. So let us open our development server. You can do it simply by going to package.json and see the next development server. To do it, right, yarn dev. All right, first of all navigate to folder and write yarn dev. As you can see, it has started. Let's hope without any error. Okay, so this is taking some time. Yeah, as you can see, our project has started successfully. So congratulations, you have created a Next.js 14 application. Yeah, that ain't so much great, but at least you created some good stuff. So you can see this package.json. It has dependencies and development dependencies and engines, means you have node greater equal to 18.17.0 and all the scripts that are required. So yeah, and you can also see this next folder has created automatically when we open our development server. So this next folder contain all the cache server static type folder. So don't worry about this. We are not gonna do much in this folder. You'll also see NextJS 14 uses Tailwind CSS. As you can see, tailwind.config.ts. So if you know Tailwind, that is great. Or else, if you don't know, don't worry, you can follow this path seamlessly because I will make you understand every part of this Tailwind code. Tailwind is nothing but a framework of CSS that we are going to use in this project. Okay, so yeah, our development server is already running. So let's do some changes inside our page.tsx. All right. So welcome to Acme. Let's do welcome to a brand new Next.js tutorial. Actually, Next.js 14 tutorial. If you see these changes, congrats, your project is working without any error. So this is for now, guys. And in the next video, we are gonna style this page with Tailwind CSS and many more. And we'll also explore CLSX package that is used to condition this class name in Next.js. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe this channel so that you never miss any update from this channel. Okay, so let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.